Hear all these birds? Like thousands of little black birds. Sounds like they're screaming. They're out there in the pines right there too. They were all right here in this tree. See them flying? They're small. I don't know if you can see them all, but boy, they're all just taking off. Oh, they're going into these trees now. Like thousands of them just screaming. Get to see the nice foliage out there too while you're enjoying them all. Alright, they're moving more down. I don't know, I can see an awful lot of them in these pines over here. There's a brook out back there, so they're dealing with that too. Isn't that neat? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the foliage and all the screaming birds as they fly around tree to tree. It's like they invade a tree and do whatever they need to do to that whole tree and move on to the next one. Dancing a lot in these pines over there. But look at the nice foliage. This is my back view. Alright, catch you later. Bye-bye.